Okay, now I will show to you how to setting the oscilloscope. Right? Oscilloscope we connect with the probe. So before we can use the oscilloscope, we need to calibrate the oscilloscope with the probe. So the main button on the oscilloscope is the word per division. This you can use to setting the voltage at the screen. This is the time. You want to where is the time, position, vertical, position, horizontal, and then you have AC, DC button here, ground, right? If you want to use AC, make sure it's push, right? AC push. So first, to calibrate the probe with the oscilloscope, you must connect the probe to this channel 1 and channel 2. So you need to use 2 channels because you want to see the input and also the output. That's why you need to have 2 terminals. So after you connect the probe to the oscilloscope, so you need to calibrate the probe. So before you calibrate the probe, make sure you check the scale on the probe. Make sure time 1, not time 10. So if time 10, you change to time 1. So both is time 1. So now you connect the hook into the calibration point here. There are calibration point here, and another channel you connect, or you can tune one by one. So let we calibrate channel 1 first. Wait, channel 1. Okay, channel 1 is better to calibrate one by one. So you connect hook like this, and you can see on the calibration point they are written over there 2 work peak to peak. So you select the proper scale here. So if you select 1 per division, mean 1 bigger box here is equivalent to 1, or the biggest box is equivalent to 1 division. So 1 division equivalent to 1 word. So what you need to do, so go to channel, this mode, channel 1, channel 2. So now tune to the channel 1. So you can see now 1 division is equivalent to 1 word, right? 1 division is equivalent to 1 word. So therefore you can see on the screen now you have 2 division. So 2 division multiplied by 1 become 2 word. So now your calibration value here is 2 word peak to peak. So this means that your probe channel 1 now working properly. So you move to the probe number 2 or channel 2. Similarly, you connect like this. This cable no need to connect to anything. So now you tune to the channel 2, and then you can see the, so you can adjust the time, make sure you get the proper square wave, right? And so it doesn't move. Okay, you can use this one to get the channel 2, and then the signal now stop. So you select channel 2 now, 1 word. So mean that if you have 2 division occupied the square wave, mean that you're going to get 2 word peak to peak. So you can use the position now, so you get the 2 word peak to peak. If you didn't get 2 word peak to peak, you need to using VAR button here to tune the voltage until you get the 2 word peak to peak. So for example here, it's not 2 word, right? 2 word peak to peak. So what you can do, you tune this button, then you will get 2 word peak to peak. So normally you need to tune this VAR button or calibration button to maximum, then you will get 2 word peak to peak. So when you get this, meaning that your probe and oscilloscope now working properly. If later on you measure, you didn't get the signal, that is not problem from the oscilloscope. Okay, finish for oscilloscope.